Having shady areas in the garden provides a wealth of opportunity to grow marvelous shade-loving plants for summer. Plants with bright flowers are ideal, as they're more visible in shade compared with darker blooms. Before you start planting, be sure to know which areas of your garden are in shade. Discover 7 marvelous shade-loving plants for summer. Let's check it out. Number 1. Foxgloves. Foxgloves are quintessential shade plants. Tall stems make them ideal for growing at the back of a border. When the display is finished, it's easy to collect and sow foxgloves so you can welcome their beautiful blooms each year. Grow foxgloves in moist but well-drained soil in full sun to full shade. Some varieties are more shade-tolerant than others. Number 2. Rodgersia. Rodgersia has attractive, palmate leaves that emerge bronze in spring but mature to a deep, dark green. From midsummer it bears upright clusters of cream-green, star-shaped flowers. It grows best in moist soils and is therefore perfect for growing at the pond margin or edge of a stream. Grow Rodgersia podophylla in moist but not waterlogged soil in a sheltered, partially shaded site. Divide in spring. Number 3. Angelica. Angelica is a majestic biennial plant bearing huge, architectural flower heads and delicate fresh green seed pods, in contrast with pink flushed stems. It deserves a prominent position at the back of a border or in a wild part of the garden. The flowers are attractive to pollinators, and the seeds are eaten by birds. Grow Angelica in moist soil in partial shade. Mulch annually with well-rotted manure or compost. Number 4. Campanulas. Also known as bellflowers, most campanulas are perfectly suited to a partially shaded position. Campanula can take a good degree of shade, so are suitable for dark corners or small gardens overlooked by walls and fences. Most campanulas grow naturally on chalky grasslands and woodland edges, which is fantastic news if you're gardening on an alkaline soil. Campanulas require moist but well-drained soil. Number 5. Astrantias. These summer shade stars come in a gorgeous array of colors, from white to deep purple red. They perform best in moist soil and make good ground cover plants if planted and grown in a group. They're also superb perennials for growing under trees, on a stream bank or in a moist border, tolerating drier soils as long as the plants are mulched regularly. Number 6. Clematis. Clematis are popular perennial climbers, providing height and color throughout the season. They look particularly good with roses. There's a huge variety of clematis to grow, with flowers ranging in size from small bells to large dinner plates. Clematis can be good for wildlife, clothing walls, fences and trellises with leaves and flowers, which provide shelter for insects and sometimes birds. Number 7. Siberian Irises. Suited to growing in partial shade, Siberian irises won't fail to impress. Like all irises, Siberians have strappy, sword-like foliage, but the leaves of Siberian iris remain quite attractive long after the flowers have faded, offering texture similar to that of an ornamental grass. In time, they grow to form large, lush clumps that produce striking blue flowers in early summer. Plant them in a moisture-retentive soil. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button for supports our channel. Also, you can turn on the notification bell for latest videos from us. Well, see you in the next interesting topics.